Kids, wishing you a very good morning. So, today we will continue this topic consonant making k se dh. So, shall we start? How can we read and write consonant sounds? Firstly, you have to speak k. Sound of k and c. Make comma. K and C के बीच में आप कोमा बनाओगे. ओके. साउंड ऑफ k and C. Sound of KH. Sound of G. Sound of GH. Write here firstly in two red lines K. Make a standing line like this. K. Okay. Sound of K and C. Firstly write here K, small tail, slanting line like this. Go slant, touch with slanting line, fall and down like this. Right here K and comma, make comma and then C. Start from third line, go slant up, turn, move back and cut on this point. Sound of K and C. Next sound of K. Right here K in two red lines. Sound of K. Sound of KH, small tail and go slant like this. Slanting line, touch with slanting line, fold and down and put your pencil here, go slant, fold down, move back. KH, sound of KH. Next sound of G. Right here G in two red lines. G. Sound of G. Start from third line like this. Go slant, turn, fold, turn like this. Look at the movement of my hand. Copy the same formation. G. Sound of G. Next G. Sound of GH. Right here G. Speak and write sound of GH. Start from third line. Go slant, touch the first line, fold and down, touch the third line again and turn around. Go up, touch the second line, move back and make fold. Go slant up, fold, move back and turn. Sound of GH. Okay. Next sound of CH. Firstly write here ch like this. Ch. Sound of CH. Go up, move back and cut. CH. Look at the movement of my hand. Speak and write ch. Sound of CH. Firstly we will write here ch. Sound of C. Move back and cut, go up, fold and down like this. Sound of CH. Okay. Next J. Standing line, sleeping line and turn. J. Start from second line. Sleeping line, go up, touch the first line, go slant down, touch the fourth line and fold. J. Sound of JH. Like this J. Sound of JH. Sound of T. Sound of T. Like this. Firstly write here T in two red lines. इसके नीचे से ही start करेंगे T. Start from first line like this. Turn, make a small loop and go slant and touch the third line and turn. T. Sound of T. Check the formation again. T. Sound of T. Like this. Turn, make a small loop, go slant and down, touch the third line and go. Sound of T. Next sound of th. Sound out th. Like this small standing line, sleeping line, and turn like this. Write small. Okay, in two red lines write th. Sound out th. th के लिए किसके साउंड आ रही है? th. Right here th. Sound out th. Firstly, you will make t, turn, fold, and go down like this. Move th, fold, move back and turn th. Check the formation again. Look at the formation. Sound out th. Start from this point. Okay. Turn. Check the formation carefully. Make a small loop. Go slant down, touch the third line, go up, slant, touch the first line, fold down, move back and turn. th. Sound out th. D. Sound out d. Like this. Firstly write here d. Okay. Sound out d. Start from first line, go slant like this, go slant, fold, touch the third line like this, go up, turn around, touch the first and make a out like this, fold and cut. D. Sound out D. Sound out D. Speak and write. Sound out D. Like this. Sound out D. Speak and write. Sound out DH. Start from first line, go slant, fold, touch the third line again and turn around, touch the top point and out in th. DH like this. Sound out DH. Check the formation carefully. Look at the movement of my hand. Sound out DH like this. DH. Okay. Speak. Sound of k and c. Sound of k h. Sound of g. Sound of g h. Sound of ch c h. Sound of ch c double h. Sound of j. Sound of j h. Sound of t. Sound out th. Sound out d. Sound out dh. So speak and write. Okay, student. Learn this topic also. Sounds. Thank you, student. Have a good day.